Welcome back, guys. This is a quick recap of what we did last time on the pattern drafting and the cutting. So as you can see, this is the under of my material. This is the under, then this is the two side, and the place we mark, that's where I will start the sewing from today. Here's the two side. As you can see, this yellow part is the front, is going to be the front, while this side is going to be the inside. Then we have this that will be sewn to this part from the inside of the bag. I will show you how it is. Then we have the two strap. I will show you the process as well. Then this short strap for my magnetic closure, magnetic snap, I mean. So guys, please make sure to like this video, leave a comment on what you think, share with your friends, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So without no further ado, let's proceed to start making. The first thing I will do is sew this part. So after I finish making the bag, you see the advantage or the use of this particular place I mark out. So you fold it this way. You see I've done this part, I've sewn it. This is how it's going to look from the outside. So this is the part I want to do now. You fold it this way, you put it under your machine, then you stitch, you double stitch just to maintain. Then you check where you mark, you won't let it to pass there, it must be between them. So here is it, guys. Here's what is used for. As you can see, here's the other part as well I've made. So that's this part. Then the next thing we proceed to attaching this to this. So I said here is going to be our outside. So when we want to sew this now, we'll put this from the inside. If you like, you may turn it here that you'll be seeing this yellow from inside, and if you like, you may leave it this way. But I think I'm going to do it this way so that it will look fashionable. So you place it this way. You start from the last edge here. Start from the last edge. You make sure you set everything the way you cut. You place it and you reverse. Then start stitching. So this is everything now is going to look like. If you have any excess here, you make sure you cut this out. Make sure everything is well balanced. This is the first one. I've finished sewing it. As you can see, this is the stitch here, and this is the back. So these two now, we leave it like this. Only thing we are going to do here is we attach this to it how we want it to be, to one part of it, so that the magnetic closure will be on the other parts. So we'll put this under the teeth. You make sure you locate the center. I already know where the center is, that's why I just place it on this part. So you reverse and you stitch. You stitch to how you want it to be for it to stay long there without ripping off. Make sure you cut all the excess thread. And voila, we are done with this part. So the next thing is for us to bow our eyelets to it, then before we start assembling the rest of the bag. So stay with me and let's proceed. So guys, this is the one I've make, the highlights. So as you can see, I'm using hand to make this, not the gramming machine, but I'm going to dedicate a video after this, not immediately but sometimes within this year, to show you how you can use gramming machine to put your eyelets. So this is the eyelets. I did this by hand, as you can see, and it's very neat. So I will show you the process of doing it, the process of making this, for you to be able to get this kind of results I've done the first one here. So the second one, I'm going to show you the process. So you have your eyelet, the main eyelet, and the bottom cover. This is the main, this is the bottom cover. So the first thing you want to do is replace this way. I'm used to doing this, so I know where I want my eyelet to be. That's why I don't use any measurement. So you do it this way, and after you do it, you see, I don't know if you can see this clearly. You have a cycle which the eyelet has already made here. So that's what you are going to use in cutting. So the next thing is we have our cutting knife. So you cut this out. You have to be soft, you have to be gently because of your hand. So here we have the O, and you put this through this, not this way, this. As you can see, then we have this. So here you have it. You see how beautiful it is. So this is how to put your eyelets on this. So, and this is the first one I did. So let's proceed to making the rest of the bag. So what we want to do here is, as you can see, you will see I have a 2 mark here, my pen. So you mark 2 inch from this place, because this is 22.5 inch, the longer one. As you can see, the longer one, then the inside one is 18.5 inch. If you remember from the pattern drafting and measurement with cutting, So you place this at the end here. You make sure everything is balanced the way you want it to be. So after you place it, after you set everything, you set it to how you want it to be. Then you pick up your ring, then you put it in between. This will go under. This will go under it like this way, because we want to start stitching. You want your work to be very neat. So after we finish, it's going to look something like this. So first you place it. So the next thing for us now is to put the eyelet, the magnetic snap. So you bore a hole, you use your punch and your hammer to bore a hole. Then I'm using this kind of snap that has a ribbit here, not like the regular one I normally use, as you can see. So the head will be on this side. You know, this part is going to be holding this way, so don't do mistake for you to go and put your head inside through the inside. So this is the front. You place it through the hole. When you place it, so I decide to put something like this so that it will hold it down very well the way I want it to be. Then you put the washer. After you put the washer, then you put the ribbit cover. So it's either this what I'm doing now is either two ways. Either you use your plier to clip it down, or you use your hammer to ribbit it. So on this side, I'm using my hammer to ribbit it down. So here you have it. You do the same thing to the other part as well. You measure where the center is, you make it, and after I finish making it, I will show you how it looks like. So stay tuned for that. So here you have the product, guys. As I've said, I've put the inside magnetic closure. As you see, you ribbit and you put this. This is how it will stay. As you can see, it's looking nice. So I've put one strap, hand strap. So I'll show you the other way to put the second one. You make sure this place, this other side is facing inside. So this is how it's going to look, because this is the outside, this is the longer one we fold and sew inside. Then you look for the ending, the mouth ending. If you have if you don't have the tools, you use your hand to open it a little bit, that it will be able to go through the eyelet and the material. You put the first one this way and you put the second one this way again. After you are done with that, you make sure everything is facing the way it's facing. You use your hand, you either use your hand to press like this to clip it back, or you use the clipping tools. So it's very strong. I don't want to injure myself, so I decided to put a handkerchief. So I'll press it this way. So here we have it, and it's looking nice. So this is our final product. This is how the bag look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this bag making and this particular project. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, because we have great idea of bag making coming, and other leather goods accessories like keychain, like misery breathing, book journal, and lots more. So this is the final product. The only thing missing here is the bead I will be putting just like this. I will make the bead later and put it on this particular bag. So I hope you guys like this model of bag. As you can see, this is the two. Which do you prefer most in the two? Let me know in the comment section below. Is it the yellow or the ash? This is ash and white. I have the white one as well, but which one do you prefer? The white, the ash, or the yellow? Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, share with your friend, and I think that is the end of the video. We shall see you on the other one. Thank you for watching, and bye, guys.